Hello guys, welcome to Zach Anime Studios. Today I was looking through my Laravel projects. I came across this code called Filament. It's a very good code for creating rapid applications on Laravel. So if you are a Laravel fanatic, you have to check this out if you want to create elegant dashboards or very nice login forms, and then with nice dashboard. As you can see, this is the demo file for it, demo project for it. So let's just log in. It has very nice dashboard, so you can create your own applications with very nice, easy to configure tables and admin panel, right? So we can just take it has very nice documentation, and also you can always follow the writer on his and the Discord community, so that you can always know what's trending, because it's constantly being updated. So it has the ability to create the admin panel, and then the form. You can create rapid forms and also tables, so it is easy to use. So let's dive into the codes and see what we can come up with. So I've already set up my Laravel application. So what we're just going to do, we're just going to configure this application to get started, see what it can be done. So right now I'm using I'm using Laravel, my PHP is 7.4. so I believe if you are using lower version, we're just going to follow this guide. So because I'm not using Laravel 8, I'm using Laravel 8, I'll just have to write composer require filament, so that if you use version 2, it will take you to version 2, but version 2 is for Laravel 8, Laravel 9, latest version of Laravel 9, but you have also to check your database version. So let's make the installation of this on our desktop, so we see how we can come up with the same dashboard. So we'll write composer require filament, okay, composer packages for filament, sorry, yeah, just like that. So sorry, so we are installing the packages for filament. That's it. So it uses Tailwind. Let's just go back. It uses you can use Tailwind on it, okay. So after we have so we want to configure the dashboard, right? The dashboard installation, and then so first you have to migrate. First you have to do the migration, okay. Something. So basically it uses Tailwind. So let's first complete that functions first, and then now, so you have to migrate PHP artisan migrate, PHP artisan migrate. I've already configured the database. I created the database on because I'm using the local environment on XAMPP. The database already exists, so it's called Filament, and then now it has already created the migration. So what next to be done? We just have to call we have to write the code for generating filament user. So that is PHP artisan make filament user. Okay, so that's what you're going to do next. So PHP artisan make filament user. So after you've done that, it's going to ask you what is the name of the user. Now you are the user. I'm going to be called Spazax. And then my email spazax@live.com, and then spazax@live, and then you're going to provide your password. And then, would you like to be administrator? Yes. And then it will ask you for repo, not at the moment, and then you have already created the user. So let's just run PHP artisan serve, PHP artisan serve. So we are going to check now and see it has already created for us the dashboard, which is very beautiful dashboard. So you just click on follow the link. Why is it not checking? Okay, follow the link. Control-C. So we have already created our dashboard. It has already created for us our dashboard. So we just go to /admin. Okay, I believe. Okay, now that is already the Laravel. Let's go it's admin, not okay. It's admin, right. Let's just also just confirm with the documentation here. Let's see if you log out. Okay, so if you want to get /admin, right? So you just go /admin, Control-C, and then it will take you to the /admin. Not double quote, that is it. So this will be our first video. We're going to create we're just going to set it up, and then I'm going to do some little research. We're going to see how we're going to create some tables. So don't miss out on the next video, which will be our next video. So the next video which we're going to create, we are going to create tables, and then also users. We are going to add some crude functions which will be generated with filament platform. Okay, so guys, this has been amazing video. So if you have to like, share, subscribe, also tell a friend. If you are in Kenya, guys, not many people are teaching people how these things are done, so you can only find them on Zach Animate Studios with Zach Orengo here. So guys, let's just log in and see what we have created. Let's look at our dashboard. It is easy to start, so I'm going to provide my logins, and then I just log in. So then log into the Filament application that you have already created. So if you want to create an amazing dashboard like this one, so the next video which you are going to create, now, we are going to expound on this Laravel Filament dashboard. Okay, so guys, this is Zach. Will add the icon. Let's see what it has also created for us, and mark you everything. It is manageable. By the, you can customize for easy start to develop your applications. You see, we can manage users. Let's see what all those functions, if they exist, because it is easy to start from. At least as a coder, you can start from somewhere as you build your application, and then you can also add a filament to an existing application that you are creating. So guys, let us catch up on the next video. You can also edit account, sorry for that. You can also still edit your platform, and then now you can also, so we are going to, the next video we are going to look at sorry for that, admin. Okay, sorry for that. On the next video, we are going just to take a look and see how we are going to build up the application. We can have a simple functions that we can that will, like let me just show you the example where we're going to manage. Either we are going to create other it will have the crude functions where you can create, update. Either we are going to create task or something else, and then everything is there. And then you're going also to assign roles, and then the functions for what we call these functions for sorry, these functions, the various functions. Okay, so guys, thank you for this short video. Keep watching us. We are still going to build on the other functions that Filament has. So guys, like, share, subscribe, and all my fans in Kenya, guys, tell a friend, Zach Animate Studio. Like, share, subscribe. Always tell a friend. Thank you.